guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a face mask review. I haven't done one of these for a little while on my channel. So today I'm testing out the Simple Glow Sheet Mask. It says that it brightens and revitalizes skin for a radiant glow. It's a protect and glow, suitable for all skin types, even sensitive ones, and it contains hyaluronic acid and vitamins C and E. So I'm excited to try this one. I haven't tried this one before. I love a vitamin C mask. I love a glow mask. So I am very excited to try this one out. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so before I start, it says, start by cleansing your face, which I've done. Gently unfold the sheet mask, apply to your face and leave on for 15 minutes. Then peel it off, throw it in the bin, massage in the excess or wipe off the product. No need to rinse. Use once or twice a week for natural, healthy looking skin. It says that the sheet mask is made with plant-based fibres, so it's biodegradable. It's infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamins C and E. It helps to brighten and revitalise dull and tired skin. I need that. And it gives your skin the healthy looking glow that your skin deserves. So yeah, let's put it on. Oh, you know what? This actually feels like a really good quality mask. Like, it feels thicker than the Garnier masks, or thicker than any Simple mask that I've ever used. It feels really thick and good quality. It feels like it's not going to tear, which is amazing, because I always feel like they're going to rip. This is really thick and good quality. Okay, so I'm going to keep that on for 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been just under 15 minutes and I'm going to take it off now. So I'm just going to massage in the excess, like I said. Okay, so it said that it would brighten and revitalise dull and tired skin, and I definitely think it's done that. My skin definitely looks brightened and more glowy and healthy. It definitely looks revitalised, so that's good. It felt amazing on my skin. Like I said, that was a really good quality mask. This wasn't expensive either. I think it was only about £2.50, £3, and it was a really thick, good quality mask on my face. And it wasn't too much product. You know how sometimes these masks drench the product in and you just feel soaking wet? This wasn't like that. It had just the right amount of product on it. And my skin looks and feels really healthy and amazing. So this product gets a big thumbs up for me. I definitely will be repurchasing this. I loved the vitamin C aspect of it as well, because it really does a good job of brightening your skin. My skin looked dull and tired, and now I don't feel like it looks that anymore. It also feels really comfortable and moisturized and hydrated, which is amazing. So this mask, this Simple face mask, gets a huge thumbs up from me. So I really like it. So yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.